Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, Mike and I are back on the all-wheel drive car. So we got some stuff mounted. Still have to button it up. There'll be another plate there, but Mike's actually working on connecting the turbo to this piece. So we went to our local honey hole pretty much, eh Mike?
Yeah.
And we found this piece off an old scrap mortar. So it's 3-inch cast. And instead of ordering a $100 piece like I did in the first place, which we did need anyways, this is just the extra inch that we're gonna put in the center to basically space the turbo back over. So Mike's getting that straight, and yeah, we'll keep you guys posted here in a sec.
You want to come here for a second?
Yep. Yeah. That is what you call fitment, eh Michael?
Mm-hmm.
Looking pretty good. We got that. Like I said, guys, gonna make another bracket from here to here so we have our strength. But this thing's pretty well held up just by Mike's one bracket. We finish welding it off once we pull the cooler back off. But yeah, this is gonna look awesome. Good marks. You know where you're at. Alright. What do you
You
need?
need you to hold like where that seam is, like where my finger there.
Okay.
You see those two lines are there.
Okay, to you.
Just make sure like they're flat on both sides and even.
If you do front and back, yeah, like that. Sure. Let me lay it down and you just want to.
That's good. Alright, so you give it a quick zap. Quick couple down.
Woo, ground me.
Huh?
I was the ground for a bit. That was the ground again.
Yeah, it's not really electricity.
It's just because my knee was touching the ground.
It's the high frequency.
That's pretty good, Michael. That's so sick. So you do that, boy. What do you boys think of that fitment? Just butt it up perfect. Minimal gap in between. And housing where it needs to be. Good job, buddy. Sick. So now we're gonna mount this other side. Once Mike welds that up, we'll get this mounted, and then we'll start on the intake setup. All right, guys, I just got back. Mike got this thing banged out. So this little centerpiece is the piece that we got from the junkyard. Came out really nice though. So I'm gonna bring this thing home, hand sand it, polish it, get it all shiny, just like the cooler, right? Just like the mortar. Get everything shiny, and before we make it to the car show, right? Alright guys, so Mike's just cutting 2.5 inches. We're gonna add it to our 90 coming out of the cooler. So Mike added a little piece here and basically made a lip so that the piece can't come out of the pipe. We're gonna add the 2.5 here, and then we have our 60 that will be like this. So this thing's gonna be badass, boys. I can't wait to show you. So make sure you come out to the car show to check this thing out and support us and Team Envious, boys. yeah. Whoa. Right. So yeah, boys, it's gonna be something like that. This is 3.5 inch. Mike's 2.5 inch step up to that, and then we're gonna cut the intake manifold. So we're gonna cut that back, angle it, and then Mike's gonna do his magic. So yeah. Got her, bud? That's how you do that, boys. So Mike cut the flange off her. So now we can angle it how we want. We'll get this flange all cleaned up. Mike's gonna cut it how he wants to do it. And we'll get this thing ready to be welded, boys. Send it. Coming, eh? We're gonna have a quick bite to eat. Stop and have a bite to eat. Might just tack this all up. This is 3.5. And we cut the intake, you guys seen. So Mike's got to weld it, but she's on an angle now. So we can mate this up so we didn't have a big sweep to a 90 going into the throttle body, right? So yeah, this is what it's going to kind of look like, quick, and you guys will see. What's that center part? We got another one here. It's going to go like that, connect. Yeah, boy. Super stoked, guys. I can't thank Mike enough for this. Throttle body's clocked. Maker's still fit. Fuel cells mint. Ooh. Hot damn, boy.
The dime.
Dimes. Fire me up, Donnie.
Go to the bank.
Hey, fire me up, Donnie. Just like Cleater said. Alright guys, hide your kids, hide your wives. Mike's on kill, laying some dimes. Look at that. Dang. God dang. That's gonna be sick, dude. Alright guys, so we're gonna finish this video off today. Where we're at right now, I actually broke one of the nice glass cups that Mike had. We turned around and noticed it was on the ground, so that's just luck of the draw for today. So that means that we might as well call it a day and we'll start fresh tomorrow, right? So as we're at where we are right now, we got the throttle body all cut here, you guys can see. So Mike's gonna weld that back up. Everything's open and flowing. The 3.5 pipe comes up. He's got a couple pie cuts and straight, and he's gonna get that all angled up. Looking at the blow-off valve, we were going to go up here, but to take up some space to make it look cleaner, we're actually going to place it here. So that should look pretty good there, and it'll be doing its job. If somebody has a black or a red one and wants to trade for this real purple tile, I would more than likely trade you for that. So if you guys want, hit me up. If not, I'm going to rock that either way. So yeah, we got a lot done, a lot accomplished today. I got some more couplers and clamps coming. So heavy duty clamps and the couplers. We will probably exchange these out someday later for quick clamps on this side and that side. And then as you guys can see, the cooler's gonna be really easy to actually take off. So we would just have to undo this clamp on the turbo, these 4 bolts, and actually pull this whole cooler off. So Mike did a killer job today. Appreciate that big time, bro. And yeah, I'm gonna bring this home because we're gonna go see Robert in the morning, and then I'm gonna get this polished up so I can actually mount the turbo for good. We'll get the manifold all back on, and Mike can finish this up tomorrow, and then we'll start on the exhaust. So yeah guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Everyone's fucking trip shit.